I'm very pleased to receive this book. When any Uganda dies, it's a matter of concern. And as the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, we are engaging with the families and the political representatives of the people who are said to be missing or dead, because it is in their best interest that they know that the government cares. So let's not politicize tragedies.
Said, this book, it was written by who? Nicho. Yes, I know Nicho. He's terrible. He's crazy. I know he's working for Bobby Wine, and Bobby Wine is working with such people, and they are really,
hooligans.
Yeah, they are really doing him bad, because by using such people, it's not the case. It's not going to be the president because of using such people like Nicho. Yeah.
It's really horrible, how we expose the truth. Must be really painful for him.
You hear me? War criminals. I'm happy that even without my megaphone, you can hear me. Ladies and gentlemen in the Ugandan embassy, I have a book here that I want to offer to you. It's important that you hear my message. That is why I'm using the megaphone. I have a book here with 3,000 victims of Yoweri Museveni. I want you to receive that book. This is about Ugandans. You are supposed to take an interest in Ugandans. This book tells the story of Segerinya, who was tortured, an MP Sevanjana that was tortured, Yasin Kavuma that was shot, Olivia Lutaya, mother of two, that has been in jail for 4 years, Bobby Wine that you attacked. You have to stop attacking our president.
Sir.
Yes.
Now, please.
Okay. I have a couple of minutes. Please, 3 minutes. I'm almost done. I understand.
No,
I want to thank the Swiss police. I want to thank you, Mister, for allowing me to speak.
They need to stop now.
Yeah. I know that I came all the way from Amsterdam. I'm from Amsterdam. Look at my license plate. This car
I see.
came from Amsterdam, and I need this important message to be heard. And I see the people are out of the window, so I think it's a lady. Lady, I have a book here. I come in peace because we are a peaceful movement. But I think you want to know about these people that are tortured, that are abducted.
Stop.
Okay.
No, it's not possible. Please,
okay.
it's not
Bye-bye.
possible.
Okay, I'm stopping. Thank you so much. And I thank this lady. And
Please,
Thank you.
stop.
Yes, I'm stopping.
Okay.
It's not possible, okay?
Okay, thank you.
This, it's okay.
Yeah.
This, no, not possible.
But the problem is they can't hear. You see, these people are there. Yes?
Come. Here.
Yes. You understand? It's important.
Yeah.
We really have an important message.
Yes.
So
Okay.
I mean,
I understand because
it's really bad what's
this is
happening.
okay. This is okay.
Yeah, but
because
look, this is what happened
yes,
to
yes.
one of my friends.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I understand. Yes.
And these people, you see over there, they're looking out. Yes, this is what the Ugandan government has done, and I'm happy that you're out of the window so you can hear me. Yeah, you are going to be held responsible for these crimes. You are crooks. You are war criminals. You hear me? War criminals. I'm happy that even without my megaphone, you can hear me. I'm happy I was just in time. Just in time. I'm sorry, I can't resist using the megaphone. It has to be used.
You are addicted to your megaphone.
How are you? Where did you sleep? Where did this man sleep?
Hello, Marie.
Na Uganda balamusiza na ye ndi wano ku Uganda embassy. You here, Museveni and Mau. You are planning the election bill in Uganda. This will not be acceptable. You stop. Stop torturing Ugandans. Stop torturing Ugandans. Stop.
Best demonstrator. You guys, you did a very good job. While you were outside demonstrating, your chair lady was inside. Can you imagine that she gave him this book? She confronted him on that tweet, right? The only time in the last 2 years that Mao actually spoke the truth. You know that tweet, right? When he said that the human rights situation in Uganda is stark naked. That one was read by your chair lady, and then he accepted the book. It is on video. I removed the audio because Mao wasn't saying anything useful. So why should people even listening to the nonsense that he has to say, right? But the good thing is that you were outside, chair lady was inside. I want to congratulate you on a job well done. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye. You sleep well.
Stop killing people. Stop traumatizing people. Stop. This is the young. What did he do? Ana baby wange akolachi. Mosibidanga na baba ndio bwele. Stop it. Stop killing people. Stop. Uganda dictator Museveni. Stop killing people. Stop traumatizing our children. We need our freedom. We need our democracy. Stop this you're evil doing. Free all our political prisoners. Free all our political prisoners. Leave our children alone. This is Machete. What did he do? Stop! Stop killing our people! Stop killing our people! Stop killing our people! Stop killing our people! Free political prisoners! Stop killing our people! Stop killing our people! Stop killing our people! Stop killing our people! Uganda,